Hi dear students, now we shall discuss the second question in the first exercise. See the question. Consider the following distribution in daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages they have given, number of workers. Now find the mean daily wages of workers of a factory by using an appropriate method. Here they said by using an appropriate method. You can use any one of those three methods. But we must use the direct method only here. Okay. Let us take the question. Daily wages, that is class interval they have given. Directly I will take it as what? CI, class interval it is. CI. The number of workers, that is what? Frequency it is. Number of workers, that is frequency, Fi. Okay. Now the first interval is 100 to 120. 100 to 120. That is how many number of workers? 12. 120 to 140. 14. 140 to 160. 8. Then 160 to 186, and 180 to 200. How much it is? 10. Okay. So am I right? 12, 14, 8, 6, 10 it is. Now we have to find a mean by using what? Direct method. What is the formula to find the mean? X bar is equal to sum of summation I equals to 1 to n fi xi divided by sum of fi. So means we have to find the xi, that is midpoint or class mark we have to find. Let us find class mark. Class mark, that is what? Xi it is. Now it means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 100 plus 120 divided by 2, that is how much? 110. This is 130, and this is 150, and this is 170, and this is what? 190. So this is class mark. Next I need Fi into Xi. So I have to multiply Fi and Xi. So Fi into Xi. Multiply this. 12 0 0. 12 ones are 12, 2 carries 1, 12 plus 1, 13, 1320. Okay, Fi into Xi I am multiplying. 14 0 0, 14 3s are 42, carries 4, 14 ones are 14 plus 4, 18, 1820. Then 0, next 8 5s are 40, carries 4, 8 plus 4, that is 12. Then multiplied by 6, 0, 42, carries 4, 6 plus 4, that is 10. Then multiplied by 10, that is 1900. Okay, this is what? Fi Xi. Now, so to find the mean, what we know? We know mean x bar is equal to summation I equals to 1 to n Fi Xi divided by sum of Fi I equals to 1 to n. Means sum of Fi is given here. Let us add them. Okay. Now this is 26, 34, 34, 40, 40, 50 it is. Then sum of Fi Xi need, sum of this 0, 4, 6, 9 plus 2, 11, 19, 22, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to 6, 0. Now let us substitute them here. This x bar is equal to 7260 divided by 50 equal to 0, 0 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5. 2 remains 22. 5 fours are 20. Again 2 remains 26. 5 fives are 25. Remaining is 1 means 10. 5 twos are. That is 145.2. So x bar is equal to 145.2. So this is by direct method it is. So this is the cost actually. So they given what it is, daily wages, that is cost, rupees. X bar is equal to 145.2 rupees. Now let us discuss the third question. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowances of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowances is rupees 18. Here they given the mean 18 it is. Find the missing frequency. In the frequency column, one term they have missed. They have given it generally as F. We have to find that F. Okay. Instead of that F, they given X bar. Mean they have given. Okay. Now let us take it directly. So CI I will take daily pocket allowances. Class interval I will take CI. Then number of children. So that is what frequency it is. Number of children. Number of children. So first CI, that is 11 to 13. Then 13 to 15. 7, 6. 15 to 17. 9. Then 17 to 19. 13. Then 19 to 21. F. Then 21 to 23. 5. Last one 23 to 25. So that is what? 4. We have to find this F. So X bar they given, that is 18 it is. Now I will take it here. Let X bar is equal to how much? 18. So this is given. Now Fi we know. Then we have to write what? Xi, that is class mark. Class mark. Xi. It means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So difference is here 2. 2. Everywhere it is 2. Means divided by 2. 11, 13. So this is what? 13, 14, 20. That is 14, 24. That is 12. Then 14. Then 16. 18. Then it is 18, 20. 22. Then it is 24. This is what? Xi. Then what I have to find? Fi into Xi. Multiply these two. 84. 12 sevens are. Then 24. 6 4 24 carries 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Am I right? 7 2s are 14. 7 plus 1, 8. 24, 6 plus 2, 84. Next, 54 carries 5. 9 plus 5, that is 14. Then 13 8s are 50. 104. 104 means 10 carries. 13 plus 10, that is 13, 23. Then this will be 20F. Okay, 20 into F it is. Then 5 2s are 10, carries 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 4 4s are 16, carries 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Let us add all this. So first we draw the table. So we need FIXSM, and in the sum of FI we need it. Now let us add this first. 84. Instead of this one, this will become a 20 plus F. I'll write this as 20 plus F. The remaining sum of all these. Those are 84, 144, 234, 110, 96, 10, 14, 18, 22, 10, 12, 15, 19, 27, 35, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7. That is 752 plus 20F. Now this is what sum of FIXI it is. Now by direct method we shall write the formula. We have to find the mean, and we need this sum of FI. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 13, that is 22, 22 plus 9 31, 31 plus 6 37, 37 plus 7 37, 44. Am I right? 37 plus 7 44, then plus F is there, plus F. Okay. Now we have to find the mean by direct method. By direct method, mean x bar is equal to sum of FIXI as I equals to 1 to n divided by sum of FI as I equals to n. This is equal to sum of FIXI, that is 752 plus 20F divided by sum of FI, that is 44 plus F. Now x bar they are given, we have to find F. X bar is how much it is? 18. We have to simplify this. We should get the value F. Cross multiply these two. 18 into 44. 44 into 18. Multiply it first. 32 plus 4. 32 plus 4. 36 plus 3. 39. Then 4 plus 3, 7. That is 792 it is. 18 into 44 is 792 plus 18F is equal to 752 plus 20F. Now you take this side. 792 minus 752 is equal to 20F minus 18F. 20F minus 18F. 20 minus 18, that is 2F, is equal to 792 minus 752. That is how much? 40. Then I need F. F is nothing but what? 40 divided by 2. That is 20. So here we got the value of F is 20.